In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use blending in CapCut PC. If you want to create a double exposure effect, add light leaks, or blend textures smoothly into your footage, CapCut makes it very simple. The key is understanding how to layer your clips correctly and then choosing the right blend mode for the look you want. Once you know where the settings are, this process only takes a moment. To begin, stack your media layers on the timeline. Place your main background video clip on timeline track lane 1. This will be the base of your edit, so think of it as the footage that everything else will blend into. Then take your overlay clip, texture graphic, or light leak asset and place it on track lane 2, directly above the main video. That top layer is the one CapCut will blend with the footage underneath, so make sure it is positioned right above your background clip for the effect to work properly. Once your layers are stacked, turn on blending. Click once on the top overlay clip in track lane 2 so it becomes highlighted. This is important because CapCut will only show the settings for the clip you currently have selected. After that, go to the top right properties panel, open video, then basic, and scroll down until you see the blend section. Click the mode drop-down menu to reveal the available blending styles. Now choose the blending style that matches your footage. Screen is a great option when your overlay has a black background, because it helps remove the dark areas and lets the lighter parts show through. Multiply works well for overlays with white backgrounds, since it blends the darker detail into the clip below. Overlay is a strong choice if you want a bold, vibrant double exposure look with more contrast and energy. If you're testing different creative styles, this is the setting that can instantly change the mood of the shot. After selecting your blend mode, fine-tune the intensity. In that same top right panel, find the opacity slider and drag it left to lower the percentage to around 70 or 80%. This softens the effect and helps the two layers feel more naturally combined instead of overly harsh. As you adjust it, keep an eye on the preview player in the center of the screen. You'll see the two video layers come together into one smooth cinematic image. And that's it. Your clips are now blended together in CapCut PC, and you're ready to use this effect for stylized edits, textures, and creative overlays.